So working within Writer some more, within LibreOffice, this is a free alternative to Microsoft Office if you're curious for a more economic solution these days. Let's look at how to add pictures into our documents. So this is actually, again, very simple. It's a matter of click and drag of finding the picture that you'd like, dragging that into the document. You may want to resize a little bit by dragging a corner and getting it to the dimensions you like. And then from here, it's a matter of deciding how you want the layout to work. You have your controls that become exposed when you have a picture and when you have it selected, like I do. If I were to click off it, they disappear. But once I click it again, they come back. And just to jump through these different modes, optimal will work to be in line with the text. And you can see how it's wrapping the text to work with that image so that it doesn't overlap. Another way to do it is to force the image to be always to the right, so that no matter what I type, the text is always going to be on the left of it, as long as it's in line with the text. You could also do the same thing with making sure that the image has left focus. All right, and the mode there is called after. This forces the text over to the right. This one over here is interesting because it will, again, work in line, and it will attempt to work with the text there, although you may have to play with your text a little bit more manually this way. The best mode, though, that I found is typically going to be none, and this allows just the image to be an independent piece to its own, where I can actually force this down if I wanted to, and that gives me the freedom to put text above and below, but not necessarily to the right or left.